today we got some new pillows on the boat. Okay, I love them. That's so beautiful. See, they're so soft and beautiful and just cozy as hell. I'm sorry. So yeah, it's so much better than before. Before, actually, this was not over here. It's just not that great. And sitting at the pillow man called us at somewhere in the cousins. There was blankets, or they stuffed them with all kind of stuff. So the pillow man called us many times. It's just, who got this boat before us? Because there's so much stuff in the pillows. So just there was hiding at the pillows was so bad when we bought the boat, I think, but I have no idea. But now it's beautiful, and now we know actually it's the form in the pillows. So that is nice to know. So that was why we were sitting so awful in them before. We were sitting on towels.
Yesterday, when Stine was cleaning the outside of the hole, she found that. It's a small hole. Looks like a screw of some sort has come through at some point. So today I'm gonna drill it up a bit, clean it, and then fill it up again, so we don't have a hole in the boat. What I'm gonna do is first dry it off. It's quite early in the morning, so everything's wet. Then put some tape on to protect the area. Then drill a little bit bigger hole through that hole, because I don't know how old it is, how clean it is. And after that, fill it up. So let's get going. Now it's a bit too much filth, but later today I'm gonna clean the hull again, and then I can sand this down and polish it in. So for now, it looks good. It's gonna be good.
Now it's time to get blue again. Yeah, it's time to paint the boat for the first time.
And now we are giving the bottom the second layer. You can see it's getting dark. That's due to the dry time. We can give it 2 layers every day, one morning and one in the afternoon, and that's the afternoon layer. We are in total putting on 4 layers of bottom paint. It's a wet and soft paint, so it polishes itself while we go along. That's why we are putting so much on to keep the bottom fresh while we are sailing. So I just got done waxing the port side. Starboard is still only polished. I possibly could polish that out, but I won't go that deep. It's nothing wrong with it. It's just a bit miscoloring. We got a lot of it out. But anyways, this is the non-wax side, only polished. And this is the polished side. It looks awesome, and what a difference compared to when we started. It's shiny and reflective, and hopefully it's gonna last a while. I have done polishing and waxing before, but not to this extent. I think it's far better than I've done any time before. Learning on the way. Yeah. As you can see, you can actually see some mirroring of a boat in it. And you couldn't before. It was quite non-gloss. So yeah, I'm missing where the strap is, because we are still painting the button. And this one is not up because we painted that yesterday, and it's got all night to cure, so I will support it there again, and then I will proceed to take the stress off that so I can paint that pad as well. I've done the same in the front. There we had the strap also at some point, so we could paint those 2 pads. So the whole bottom gets painted. We aren't able to move the boat with the pads and shit, so it takes a while to move stuff. Yeah. But otherwise, I'm done waxing the port side, and now I'm gonna go and help a guy in the harbor with some electrical problem with his battery, and after that I'm gonna paint the bottom the last time. So yeah. And when the bottom is drying, I can wax the starboard side.
And now it was my turn to try waxing, and as you can see, it is really hard, and oh my god, it's heavy. So yeah, a lot to learn still. Today we are going in the water. Finally, we're going in the water. That is gonna be so nice because we are also going out of the house. The house is sold, so yeah. So the times fly away right now. But Anders' father and stepmom is here to help us. It's just so nice with them. Come up in 3 in the morning to help us here at 6. There is high water at 6 o'clock, so that's why we're all up so early in the morning. Yeah, you can see the boat is on the way to get in the water, so it's gonna be so nice. And we borrowed my dad car to have all the pillows with us, and all the new pillows. That's gonna be amazing to see on the new boat. It's gonna, yeah, and try it tonight. We're gonna sleep on it tonight. So it's a busy day, but it's a great day. We're looking forward to this day for a while now. So it's gonna be amazing. And now we're turning around. Today it was so easy to get the boat in the water. Last time we sit down by the dock and took a beer because it was a half hour, I think. We have to wait. But today is just slide right in. I was just actually scared for a moment. It just slide out of the hauler. So yeah, so that was nice. So now it's lying here. It looks so weird without the mast, but the mast is gonna wait till Johannes gets back from work. So right now it's gonna be out the mast for a month. So it's a little bit weird, but yeah, it's livable. And for me, is if the mast is on, for me it's not that important. So we're gonna seal it so that don't get any water in it, all that. So yeah. And the great thing when we're up that early, the sun is so beautiful. You can see it here. So yeah, we have to remember to look around and see the beautiful things, even if we have a little bit more to see to, and so much work ahead of us. But we have a great family is gonna help us. So that is so amazing, and the family is, yeah, it's beautiful. Thank you. I moved into the boat alone. Anders is at work. He has to be there a month. For the last time he has to go. So it's totally weird to be on the boat alone. Right now there's clothes and stuff everywhere. So I have to find a system for now. you see me for the first time to go to work when I'm living on the boat. The morning routine. I have to go up to the clubhouse to get a shower so I can get ready for work. As you can see, we have a beautiful clubhouse where there's a big kitchen you can borrow, showers and toilets. So that is so nice when you're living in a boat. Thank you for watching this way. See you in the next one. Bye.